So I wasn't planning on doing a pickup yet until after tax time, but my guy ended up messaging me saying uh, he had some stuff that he had grabbed that if I wanted it, and I was like, well, yeah, for sure. So I went ahead and picked up Brian's song. You can't really see it back there, but it's back there. I picked up Porky. I had to get the baby Porky. I picked up Bad Boys. Nuclear Man 267 shot. Which I only paid $325 for Nuclear Man, $260 for Bad Boys. I paid a little more for Porky, but it's like $270. And Brian's song was $300. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.